Bobby was on a peaceful patrol when he suddenly saw a car being bullied and ran after it to help it, but was attacked by a group of criminals. It turned out to be the criminals' plan, and they hijacked the police car and sped through the streets, causing chaos.
Huh?
Immediately, the Love Team has received the signal. Flare and Healy will coordinate to extinguish any incidents that occur, while Jet flies up to monitor the situation from the air. The chase is in full swing. Flare and Healy quickly close in, while Jet observes the situation from above, helping to coordinate the pursuit.
Oh no!
Flare and Healy have come close, blocking Bobby's path and forcing the criminal vehicle to stop. Can Bobby be rescued immediately? Bobby was safely rescued. The team did an excellent job of de-escalating this tense situation. Yahoo! Let's go!
Stop! Stop!
The Surprise Hero by the Park Gate.
A construction site is in operation. Workers are working. Oh no! Part of the construction site collapsed, trapping many workers under the rubble. Will the rescue team be able to rescue them in time? Rescue vehicles are on the scene immediately! Bobby coordinates rescue. Flair will extinguish any fires, and Healy prepares to treat the injured. Jet will provide air support. Help me! Help me! Flair and Healy did not hesitate, immediately rushing into the fight. Both of them tried to quickly protect the victim. Jet flies from above, monitoring and providing information about safe areas and trapped workers. The rescue is underway. Injured workers are being pulled from the rubble, while Flair secures and Healy takes the victims to the emergency room. The rescue operation was completed successfully. All workers were rescued and brought to safety. The city will soon return to peace. The sky is clear today. The clouds are as light as cream. The police car was assigned to escort the ambulance to the city center. Nothing special, but why is my heart beating so fast? The police car tried to stay calm, but why did it keep veering off the lane? Oh my God, there's the red siren again when it's not needed.
Aha!
The ambulance drove quietly beside them, occasionally glancing over. Was there something sparkling in their eyes? Helicopter flying overhead. Something exciting is about to happen. And the fire truck suddenly put up a sign, caution, area of heart palpitation. Fire truck put up a funny sign. Other cars saw it and laughed. Huh? The police car and the ambulance both looked at each other shyly, sensing the growing affection. And then, at the end of the street, the police car stopped, fumbled, opened the trunk. Inside was a gift box. The ambulance smiled. A smile as soft as the late afternoon sun. Thank you, my hero escort. The police gift mission.
Sir, yes, sir.
Hours later.
No!
Huh?
Chemical leak on the road. Police spot it and the fire truck cleans it up.
Two hours later.
The yellow race car gets all muddy. Luckily, the fire truck comes to help.
Hello! Hey!
Thank you very much.
During rush hour, the city suddenly encountered an emergency. A traffic accident caused the entire main road to be blocked. Bobby received the signal from the radio and started moving to the scene, but the streets were too crowded. No other vehicles could move. With determination, Bobby began directing traffic, helping vehicles move away from the congested area, creating space for rescue vehicles to approach the scene. And this is where the Healy ambulance comes in. Healy quickly arrives and sets to work treating the injured victims. Meanwhile, Flare, the brave fire truck, is rushing to the scene using water jets to extinguish the dangerous flames. With the help of Jet, helicopters, police, and rescue vehicles on the ground can monitor the situation from above, helping them coordinate traffic more effectively. Thanks to the excellent coordination of Bobby, Healy, Flare, and Jet, the situation was quickly resolved. The city is back to peace and traffic is flowing smoothly. The crane truck's windy day. The garbage truck can't swim. Incident in the storm.
Okay.
Slippery tires in the rain. Oh no! A boat capsized in a big storm. The passengers on board are in danger. Will the rescue team be able to save them in time? But don't worry! The rescue team is here. Fire trucks and ambulances are on standby, and helicopters are preparing to take to the skies. The rescue helicopter will approach the sunken ship from the air. Will it be able to save the passengers before it is too late? The lifeboats have set sail. With the support of helicopters, the rescue team will safely rescue the passengers from the sinking ship.
Let's go!
The rescue is underway. The passengers are being loaded into lifeboats and will be brought to safety. Will everyone make it? Finally, all the passengers were rescued. The rescue team did a great job and everyone will return safely. Thank you to the brave and determined rescue team. Once again, they have saved lives, bringing safety and hope to everyone. Don't forget, when there is an accident, there are always heroes ready to help. Good morning, City. And as usual, Bobby, our brave police car is patrolling, keeping the peace. But suddenly, an unexpected event occurs.
Hey, you! Over right there!
Bobby received an emergency signal. A car has been stolen and is on the run. Bobby Bobby immediately rush out at top speed.
Hey, hey!
The streets are no longer peaceful. Bobby must quickly pass slow-moving cars so as not to lose sight of the criminal. A truck is blocking the road. Can Bobby get past it? Of course. Bobby quickly rushes through a narrow road, defeating the obstacle, not letting the criminal escape. And then, a big hole! The criminal car couldn't get out of it. Bobby got close in time and stopped the criminal car. The chase ended here. Bobby is not only a policeman, but also a real hero of the city. Thanks to Bobby's bravery and speed, the criminal is arrested. The city is peaceful again. The storm was raging, and in the midst of the rainstorm, a truck was out of control and moving with great difficulty. Immediately, the rescue team was dispatched. Bobby quickly coordinated the rescue. Healy prepared to take the injured to the emergency room. Flair was ready to extinguish the fire, and Jet was also preparing to monitor from the air. Flair didn't hesitate, immediately rushing into battle with the fire. It used its water nozzle to extinguish the fire and prevent it from spreading. Jet flies from above, helping rescue teams on the ground monitor the situation from the air, while also providing information about obstacles and traffic conditions.
Yes!
The accident was resolved excellently.
Huh?
Huh? Huh?
Huh? Oh no!
Oh,
Huh?